So guys, to convert MBR to GPT during Windows 10 installation, once you're on this page, you're going to click on Next. And then once we get to here, you're going to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, which will then pull up the command prompt. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in disk part, click on Enter. And then once that loads up, you're going to type in list space disk, click on Enter again. And now all of your disks are going to come up. Now you want to select the disk that you want to install Windows on. So I've only got one disk and it's 20 gigabytes. You may have multiple disks and you want to look at the size and then look at the disk that you want to install Windows on. So now you want to type in select space disk space and then you want to put in the number. So I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on Enter. You want to type in select space disk and then the number of the disk that you want to choose from. And now you want to type in clean and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in convert space GPT, click on Enter. And now you want to type in exit, click on Enter again. Now you can close this out. And now you can just continue on with the Windows installation.